Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing good. So for today's video, we're going to be creating this simple, quick, easy look. I decided to call it a school edition kind of thing because I am in school and I go to school early in the morning. So whenever I want to get myself put together or look, you know, presentable, this is my go-to. I can do this very quickly within, I would say, 20 minutes. The brows usually take me the longest because they're my brows, but everything else is boom, 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 done, like literally. So there's no shadow on the eyes, nothing crazy. Like everything is very minimal and simple. No lashes. I kept it real easy. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I created this look and the products that I use, then go ahead and keep watching. And I am going to be doing a voiceover so I can kind of show you guys in realish time how fast I do go, because it doesn't take me long at all. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the brows, and I'll be using my can't talk. I'll be using my e.l.f. brow pomade in the shade Expresso just to fill that in. Then after that, I'll go ahead and use my concealer to clean up underneath my brows. I like using this Covergirl one because it's a little bit thicker than the Maybelline. I do have to get my brows done, so I'm trying to, you know, double up on the concealer to cover it all up. But I love combining these two when I really want that super duper clean, cut, sharp brow. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. And then I'm going to go ahead and color correct using my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Cocoa. I love this stuff. It's the best thing ever, and I love this technique. It is amazing on making sure your foundation and everything looks even. And then for foundation, I'll be using the Nars Natural Longwear Radiant as well as the Shiseido Synchro-skin foundation. I've been loving this combination lately. It's been my favorite go-to. It just looks beautiful. I love these foundations separately, and I just decided to mix them one day and I was completely wowed, and that's all I've been using. So yep. And for concealer, I'll be taking my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I don't remember the name of this shade, but it is lighter, obviously. I think it's the lighter shade right underneath Cocoa. I'm not sure what it is, but I am going to tag everything that I use down in the description box below with the shade name. So you can check down there if you want to see exactly what it is I used. And I'll be using my e.l.f. sponge to blend everything out. This is one of my favorite, actually it is my ultimate favorite blending sponge that you can get from the drugstore. It's only $5 and it's the best. I kid you not, it's the best, and it's super easy to clean too. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze, put some color back into this face. I'll be using my City bronzer as usual. Then after I finish bronzing, I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer using my Nye Banana Powder. I love this powder. I don't think I show it enough on this channel, but it's one of my favorite powders ever in life. I'm talking about ever in life, okay? It's amazing. Then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe all of that away. Then I'm going to go ahead and take that brush that I use with my bronzer and make sure everything is all blended out. And I'm going to go ahead and contour or bronze my nose as well, just to sculpt it out. And a nice technique I love to do is actually taking my bronzer and putting it in my crease like eyeshadow, just so my eye doesn't look so plain and blank. This gives it a little bit of dimension. Alright, we're going to go ahead and set our face using the All Nighter by Urban Decay. And for blush, I'm going to use this Becca. It's actually a bronzer, but clearly y'all saw it's not a bronzer for me, but I love it as a blush. It's super duper awesome. I think it's called Maui Nights. And then I'm going to take this NYX brow pomp. What is this called? It's a brow something. It's whatever you use to set your brows. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And using my favorite current mascara, which is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. I absolutely love this mascara. It is amazing, guys. It is amazing. Check it out if you haven't already. And last step, we're going to take our lip gloss. This is just a Fenty lip gloss in the clear shade, and put that on the lips. And that, my babies, is it. We are complete. Do you see this? You see this flawless face? You see this simple, natural go-to beat? Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.